With the deepening research in drone technology, low-altitude remote sensing technology is developing rapidly. However, most current low-altitude remote sensing primarily uses color cameras for spatial imaging of ground objects, which cannot accurately determine ground material composition and subtle changes, nor can it promptly indicate early pest and disease warnings, water and fertilizer deficiencies, or river water quality. Hyperspectral imaging instruments are capable of simultaneously detecting the two-dimensional geometric states of target objects and the spectral information of spatial pixels, obtaining high spectral resolution and continuous narrowband image data for fine analysis. The ATH 9010LT, independently developed and designed by Optosky, that is small in size, lightweight, and low in power consumption, making it easy to carry and install. It performs spectral scanning in the 400 to 1000 nanometers range, from visible light to near-infrared bands, with ultra-high spectral resolution of less than or equal to 1.3 nanometers, up to 1920 spectral channels, and up to 1200 spatial channels, allowing for the identification of subtle differences in materials. The camera uses high-performance image sensors and advanced noise reduction technology to capture clear and accurate spectral images, even in low-light environments. Incorporating spatial spectral information, it features integrated image and spectral data. It can provide assurance for precise measurements in various application scenarios. The ATH 9010LT employs an external push broom imaging method, allowing flexible mounting on bumblebee drones, DJI M350, or other similar drones, achieving efficient scanning at a flight height of 100 meters. With a spatial resolution of approximately 5 cm, it can cover over 0.5 square kilometers per day, measuring spectral information of vegetation, water bodies, soil, and other objects in real time. To obtain spectral images, by analyzing spectral images, it can be used to study plant classification, growth status, health conditions, and pest and disease information. The built-in hyperspectral data processing system conducts in-depth analysis of collected spectral data, making it an important instrument in smart agriculture, river water quality inspections, and other low-altitude remote sensing fields. It can detect biochemical oxygen demand, total phosphorus, total nitrogen, chlorophyll, turbidity, and over 10 other parameters and indicators. The remote controller integrates hyperspectral acquisition control software, displaying device operating status in real time, editing hyperspectral parameter settings, and starting or stopping collection projects with a single click. Users only need one remote controller to plan flight paths and collect spectral data, making it easy for non-professional users to get started. It supports customized, real-time online hyperspectral data processing technology, calculating data during flight, and observing pest and disease conditions, water and fertilizer deficiencies, and more in real time. In agriculture, environmental monitoring, industrial quality control, or mineral resource identification in geological exploration, it provides precise data support. From optical structure and circuitry to hyperspectral data processing, it is entirely self-developed, featuring high-quality imaging technology that leads the international market. Optosky offers a complete series of hyperspectral imaging products, including the ATH 2100 push broom imaging system, handheld hyperspectral series, ATH 3010 rotational hyperspectral series, ATH 5010 microscopic hyperspectral series, ATH 6100 portable hyperspectral series, ATH 8100 linear hyperspectral series, and ATH 9010 drone hyperspectral series, covering almost all market demands. Whatever you need, we have it. Optosky is a leader in high-end domestic spectroscopic instruments, with 6 R&D centers and over 20 offices nationwide, capable of quickly responding to customer needs. We also have a team of over 40 experienced hyperspectral technology and service professionals, ready to respond to user customization, technical support, and flight service needs at any time.